The word yoga comes from Sanskrit root yuj, meaning union. Union of Jivatma with Paramatma, or union of individual consciousness with super consciousness. Sage Patanjali says Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodhaha, meaning yoga removes all mental modifications so that we can establish in our true self. Namaste and welcome to the Yoga for Beginners course. This is Bharath Thippireddy. I am a software architect and best-selling instructor. I am also a certified yoga teacher from Indian government, and I have been teaching yoga for the last 5 years. As you go through the course, all I would suggest is to enjoy the warm-up, the asanas, the Surya Namaskaras, the mantras you chant, and even the pranayama, and go into a meditative state. Do not fight with your body. We all are unique and we will be conquering the asanas eventually. So take it slow, take it easy, and enjoy the asanas and Surya Namaskaras and the entire process. We will start with a universal prayer followed by Sithilikarana Vyayama or loosening exercises. They will make the body flexible and ready for asanas. Surya Namaskaras combine asanas and pranayama and prepare us further for asanas and pranayama. We will watch the 10-step demo and then practice 6 Surya Namaskaras with mantras before each Namaskara. Sage Patanjali, the father of yoga, said Sthiram Sukham Asanam, meaning asana is the one in which we can sit happily for a long time. The end goal of asana practice is to achieve just that. Asanas are designed to conserve the energies and transform them to subtle forms of mental energies. They help us develop inner awareness and aid in calming down the mind. We will learn the physical, mental, and spiritual benefits of various asanas and practice them along with me. Pranayama is a practice of different breathing techniques to get in touch with the life force, the prana, and control it in calming down the mind. At the end of pranayama, we will be ready for meditation. You will enjoy a 5 to 6 minutes of bliss to start with, and slowly you can increase it to 30 minutes or even an hour. You will also be learning various relaxation techniques throughout the course. I will also give you a format to create your own spiritual diary and track and monitor your progress as you conduct your life through yoga. You can download the prayers, the mantras, a schedule that you can follow, a 30-minute and a 1-hour yoga routine, and also the format for the spiritual diary by going to the resources section of this lecture. Now I suggest you get started, and always remember I am here to answer your questions and queries. You can post your questions under the Q&A or you can send me a personal message. Please do keep me posted as you make your spiritual progress, and I will do the same.